Hi guys, my name is Tara. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. Today I just want to do a little fun look, kind of inspired by my tie-dye shirt I made myself. I used the 35I Icy palette to get this look right here. A couple other products, one, two, anyhow. If you want to see how I got this look, please continue watching. Thank you. Go ahead and just like and subscribe. Okay, or fucking not. Okay, so basically I just want to have some fun today, do a makeup look, nothing too difficult, just, you know, fill in a little orangey. Maybe you might want to incorporate that. In fact, I do want to do orange. I don't think that's a color that I normally do, but I think I'm going to do orange with a little twist. Maybe make it a little bit more peach than normal. I'm going to start off using my melt stack here, using the color Blur. Look how much I've used of that. I really, really like this shade. Clearly, I feel like I should treat myself and get like another melt palette. They've come out with quite a few different palettes, and I do like their formula. I don't know, cheap, super cheap, but all I've been doing is working and not spending money other than like food and gas, so I guess I shouldn't brag. I feel like I'm bragging because I have a job nowadays, but it's scary. So just kind of putting that all over this big old lid here. Don't come for me in my hair. I cut it myself. Tried to style it. I'm just not very good. I used to be better with hair, but lately it's like, whatever. So just like that. God, I love that color. We had such a nice week weather-wise here in Portland, and then my day off came and it's raining, so that's cool. Okay, and just like that, we have somewhat of a crease shade. I don't know, my crease is crazy. I feel like, what is all this? It's a lot of space, but it's hard to work with because I have pretty hooded eyes. But good enough. I want to start going in with the main event. So maybe I'm trying for like an orange sherbet. And I am going to use my 35I Icy Fantasy palette. Again, I love this palette. So I think I'm going to do this pink here, and I'm going to top it with this orange here. It's hard to get that to like show up in its true form. There you go. This pink here, this orange here. Just layer them. One of my friends just called me, and she is starting a job that's working at a COVID a facility that opened up a whole wing for COVID patients, which I thought is super awesome and super brave. You know who you are. I am proud of you. Just dipping into the orange color I showed you. That pink is really pretty on its own as well. I really like this palette. I don't know how I feel about Morphe right now, but I never do, to be honest. So pretty. I'm gonna just buff out the edges real quick. All right, the look so far. Okay, so let's take a little bit of the blur and run it along the lower lash line. I'm gonna take a little bit of Unseen and run that under the lash line as well. Okay, so I think I want to bring our little mixture, the pink and orange, on the inner corner. Cute. Do we want lashes? Do we want to struggle today? Yeah, let's struggle. I'm gonna pop on some lashes and I'll be right back. I'm so happy that only took half a second and not 30 minutes of really struggling to get two wonky, different looking eyelashes on. Deep breath. Okay, so I love the look. I do not want like a shimmery inner corner, but I do want a little bit of a brow bone highlight. So let's use, I'm gonna use this color. Can you see it better back? Yeah, from back here. This color right here to do my brow highlight, brow bone highlight. Perfect. And this is the completed look. I really, really like it. Again, my lashes look a little wonky, but that's okay. We just got to move on from that. There's nothing we can do about that. Anyhow, thank you so much for watching. Thank you for being here. I hope everybody's staying safe. Have a good day. Oh, and if you want to know the lashes I use, they were the Baddington lashes in Harlow 3D silk lashes. Anyhow, thank you so much. Have a good day. Bye. Like and subscribe. Bye.